that house is the completed, even the landscaping inside, boundary wall, main gate and railing is the completed. We will take it in the SketchUp and we will apply the material in the SketchUp and we will render in the SketchUp and bring back to in the AutoCAD architecture. This is the AutoCAD architecture model. So I think first we'll take only this house, not this property, boundary wall and landscaping. So as per my design drawing, I can remove this, I can unload it this, just a click here and unload, and again we click once here, then deattach. Okay, then the property, yeah, boundary wall, landscaping, main gate, railing, everything has gone. Not gone means in the my project, but from this ground floor area has gone. So how do we take this model in the SketchUp? This your visualization style is not matter here. If the elastic or maybe in the X-ray mode or shaded or maybe in the conceptual style, any style, no matter. I think I'm going to put here X-ray so you can see everything is here. Now we are going to take it in the SketchUp. So how? Please follow me. Just you go to here, export, then export here. Just you go to here and come down and export, and then AutoCAD 2018 or 2013. Any you can want, you can do, because both are the supporting to SketchUp up to 23-24. I'm like to save it the AutoCAD 2018 here, and I'm giving to name here ACAD to SketchUp and at dashboard SketchUp we can say here 2023 and save it. Okay, already I saved it. If you want, close it or you can open it. Now we go to in our SketchUp. So I'm going to open the SketchUp. Yes, SketchUp already is here opened, and you select as per your model properties. So our model property is the SketchUp inches, architectural inches, not in simple, not meter, not millimeter, not centimeter, meter. If you are working in the millimeter, meters and other the format, then you select there, but our model in the architectural inches. Just you click here. Okay. Now you can see our SketchUp has opened. Okay. Here to move. Then you go to file and come import here. Then we import the AutoCAD file because we already saved in the AutoCAD and SketchUp 23. You remember this ACAD to SketchUp 23. Just click here, and once you select here, no one matter here if you are not selecting something unchecked, it's no problem. If you select the merge the if you select the merge cobbler faces, all face will be one, or you leave it. I think in starting time no need to check this all boxes, but should be checked this position, because as per our AutoCAD architecture location, same will be insert in the SketchUp. So location will be checked, and the unit as per your drawing. So our unit is the inches there. Just click once, okay, then import. It's importing. See this all objects imported, and this is the ignored because this is the someone is the empty or someone is the SketchUp not supporting. Just a close L. Click and close. You can see our model is here now. Okay, so I think you understood the AutoCAD model how to insert in the SketchUp. In the next video, we will do another things like we apply the paints, roofing materials here. Okay, so wait up to my next video and please subscribe so you can see the upcoming my old videos. Thanks for watching.